Have you ever wondered why rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth? Let's embark on a journey to explore the verdant world of rainforests, these lush expanses of green that cover a significant portion of our planet. From the sprawling Amazon in South America to the dense Congo Basin in Africa, rainforests are found across the globe, each with their unique characteristics and inhabitants. Rainforests are a riot of life, a symphony of biodiversity. They are home to millions upon millions of species of plants, animals and insects, many of which are yet to be discovered by science. From the tiniest ant to the most majestic jaguar, from the smallest orchid to the towering kapok tree, each species has its role to play in the grand orchestra that is the rainforest ecosystem. But their value extends beyond their staggering biodiversity. Rainforests are also the planet's powerhouse for oxygen production and carbon sequestration. The trees and plants in these forests absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere, and convert it into oxygen during photosynthesis. This process helps to regulate the global climate, earning rainforests the title lungs of the earth. Moreover, the dense vegetation of rainforests acts as a natural water filter, purifying the water that millions of people depend on. They also serve as a crucial source of food and medicine, many of which are yet to be discovered. In other words, rainforests are not just beautiful and exotic locations for adventure and discovery, they're also our planet's life support system, working tirelessly to produce oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, filter water, and provide essential resources. They are a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of life on Earth, a balance that we are a part of. So the next time you hear someone refer to rainforests as the lungs of the Earth, remember just how apt that metaphor is. Remember the immense value these forests hold, not just for the creatures that call them home, but for all of us, wherever we may be. In essence, rainforests are not just beautiful, they are vital for our survival. Did you know that rainforests are home to more than half of the world's species? Yes, you heard it right. Rainforests, despite covering just 2% of Earth's surface, are biodiversity hotspots, teeming with a myriad of life forms. Let's dive into the complex web of life that exists within these forests. Picture a world where every organism, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. No creature is insignificant. Each organism contributes to and depends on the other for survival. This interdependence is what makes these ecosystems so robust and resilient. Now let's highlight some unique and fascinating species found only in these environments. Take, for instance, the poison dart frog of Central and South American rainforests. This vibrant creature, no larger than a paperclip, carries enough venom to deter even the most determined predators. Then there's the rafflesia, a parasitic plant native to Southeast Asian rainforests. Known as the world's largest flower, it emits a scent of decaying flesh to attract the flies that pollinate it. Such remarkable species are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life in these challenging environments. But what makes these ecosystems so rich and diverse? Well, one key factor is the canopy. The canopy is a unique feature of rainforests, a dense ceiling of foliage formed by the interlocking crowns of tall trees. This overhead shelter fosters a rich array of life, from birds and primates to insects and reptiles. In fact, the canopy is so dense and teeming with life that some creatures spend their entire lives without ever touching the ground. This intricate layering of life, each part relying on the other, creates an ecosystem of astounding complexity and beauty. It's a world where the hum of insects, the call of birds, and the rustle of leaves combine to form a symphony of life. The intricate ecosystems within rainforests are a testament to the wonders of nature. Every species, every organism is a vital note in this grand symphony, and it's up to us to ensure that this music never fades away. Can you fathom the role of rainforests in regulating the world's climate? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. Rainforests are the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, and breathe out oxygen. This process, known as photosynthesis, is a crucial part of the global carbon cycle. Each year, rainforests absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide, helping to keep our planet's atmosphere in balance and slowing the pace of global warming. But rainforests do more than just absorb carbon dioxide. They also play a vital role in maintaining the global water cycle. How does this work? Rainforests are like giant sponges, soaking up rainfall and slowly releasing it back into the atmosphere as water vapor. This process, called evapotranspiration, contributes to the formation of rain clouds. This means that rainforests are not just receivers of rainfall, but also producers. They effectively create their own weather, generating up to 75% of their own rainfall. By regulating the water cycle, rainforests help to stabilize the world's climate and prevent extreme weather patterns. They keep our planet hydrated and cool, preserving the delicate balance of life on Earth. Now let's talk about the flip side of the coin. The destruction of rainforests can lead to more extreme weather patterns and accelerate climate change. When a rainforest is cut down, the carbon stored in its trees is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Moreover, without the rainforest's water-regulating function, we could see a rise in droughts, floods, and other extreme weather events. So, it's clear that rainforests are not just beautiful and biodiverse, they're also climate regulators of paramount importance. Their preservation is not just about saving exotic wildlife and unique plant species, it's also about safeguarding the climate stability on which all life depends. Rainforests are our allies in the fight against climate change. Their role is instrumental, and our actions to protect them will determine the future of our planet. Scene script. Are you aware of the threats that our precious rainforests face? Rainforests, those lush, vibrant sanctuaries of biodiversity, are under siege. The threats are manifold and urgent. Deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change are the primary culprits, each posing a unique challenge to these crucial ecosystems. Let's start with deforestation. Every year, an area of rainforest equivalent to the size of England is lost to logging, agriculture, and mining. The repercussions are far-reaching. Not only does this lead to a significant loss of biodiversity as countless species lose their homes, but it also disrupts the lives of local communities that depend on these forests for their livelihood. Habitat loss is another pressing concern. As deforestation intensifies, many animals and plants lose their natural habitats. An estimated 80% of the world's known terrestrial plant and animal species live in rainforests. When these habitats disappear, so too does a significant portion of the planet's biodiversity. The extinction of even a single species can send ripples through the entire ecosystem, disrupting the delicate balance of life in the rainforest. Climate change is the third critical threat to our rainforests. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns can have devastating impacts on these sensitive ecosystems. Droughts can lead to widespread forest fires, while increased rainfall can result in damaging floods. Both of these scenarios can irreversibly alter the landscape of a rainforest, causing further damage to biodiversity and local communities. Moreover, the loss of rainforests exacerbates climate change. These forests act as a sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When they're destroyed, not only does this vital function cease, but the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, further fueling global warming. These threats are interconnected, each amplifying the others, creating a feedback loop of destruction. The loss of our rainforests would be a catastrophe for all life on Earth. So, as we venture deeper into the heart of these incredible ecosystems, let's remember the urgent need to protect and preserve them, because the future of our rainforests, and indeed our planet, depends on it. So, what can you do to help protect these vital ecosystems? Now that's a question that's both timely and timeless. The good news is, there's a lot you can do, and it starts right at your doorstep. Firstly, adopting sustainable lifestyle choices can make a big difference. This could mean choosing products that are certified as rainforest-friendly, like coffee or chocolate, or reducing your consumption of beef, as the cattle industry is a significant driver of deforestation. Every time you make a choice that's kinder to the environment, you're casting a vote for a healthier planet. Secondly, consider supporting organizations that are dedicated to rainforest conservation. Your donations, no matter how small, can aid in the purchase and protection of rainforest land, fund research, and support communities that depend on these ecosystems. These organizations are on the front lines of conservation, and your support can help them make substantial strides. Advocacy is another powerful tool. Use your voice to advocate for policies that protect rainforests. This could involve writing to your elected officials, signing petitions, or simply using social media to raise awareness about the importance of rainforests and the threats they face. Education and awareness are crucial in promoting rainforest conservation. The more people understand about these incredible ecosystems, the more they'll want to protect them. So share what you've learned with others, start conversations, inspire curiosity, and encourage others to join the conservation efforts. Remember, every action counts. Whether you're making sustainable choices, donating to conservation efforts, advocating for better policies, or spreading awareness, You're contributing to the protection of our rainforests. And why wouldn't we want to protect these treasure troves of biodiversity, these magnificent lungs of our planet, these vibrant cradles of life? After all, our survival is intricately linked to theirs. Together, we can make a difference for the future of our rainforests and in turn,